Hello, everyone. My name is Kenise Bridges. I am originally from Philadelphia, but I have been residing in New Jersey for the past 8 years. My original degree is in biology. I went to Morgan State University and finished up my last year at Rutgers University. I've been in the behavioral health field for about 18 years now. I started out as a case manager, working with adults with persistent mental illness. I have been a TSS, therapeutic supportive staff. I have also been a youth advocate, working with children in the juvenile justice system. I've been a behavioral analyst, and now I am a mental health worker for a children's mobile crisis intervention service, which I love. I greatly enjoy working with children and family in the inner city, and I am intrigued by how trauma affects the brain, which has kind of brought me to Widener. I am definitely interested in the emphasis on trauma. I am looking to elevate, my career at this time and no longer make lateral moves. I'm also a wife. I'm a mother of three. I am excited about this new journey, but I'm also a little bit apprehensive as I have been out of school for a multitude of years. I have never taken a online course to actually get a degree, like a full online course. So this will be different for me, especially because technology isn't necessarily my strong suit. But I'm hoping that with support, I will be able to achieve and accomplish all of my goals here at Widener, and I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.